In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira account using Google. We'll walk through the full process step by step, so by the end you'll have your Jira account set up and ready to go. You don't need any previous experience with Jira for this. Just follow along on your own computer. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Jira Create Account and press Enter. This is often the quickest way to land on the official Jira sign-up page without having to remember a specific URL. In the search results, look for the official Atlassian Jira link. It should clearly mention Jira software and account creation. Click on that result to open the Jira sign-up page in a new tab. Once the page loads, you'll see options to either enter a work email address or continue with an existing account, such as Google or Microsoft. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on using Google, since it's fast and it keeps you from having to manage another separate password. On this screen, click the option that says you can continue with your Google account. A Google sign-in window will appear. Here, you'll either see a list of Google accounts you're already signed into on your browser, or you'll be asked to log in. Select the Google email you want to associate with Jira. If the account you want isn't listed, choose the option to use another account and sign in with your email and password. Make sure you pick an account you're comfortable using for work or project collaboration, since this email will receive Jira notifications. After you select your Google account, you'll be taken back to Atlassian setup flow. On this screen, you'll be asked to type in a site name. This site name becomes part of your Jira URL, so choose something short, clear, and related to your team or project. If the name you want is already taken, try a small variation until you find one that's available. When you're happy with it, click Continue. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Jira may ask a few quick questions about how you plan to use the tool, such as your team size or what kind of projects you run. These questions help Jira pre-configure your workspace. Continue through each screen, confirming your choices until the setup finishes. Once you're done, you'll land inside your new Jira site, ready to start creating projects, issues, and workflows with your Google linked account.